Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to set up free shipping on TikTok Shop. Offering free shipping makes the product more appealing, as many customers prefer not to pay extra for delivery. Additionally, free shipping promotions can help sellers rank higher in TikTok's algorithm, making their products more visible to a larger audience. So this is how you do it. In your TikTok seller shop, you just have to go to Promotions option. Then go to Promotional Tools. Then here, just click on Create a Promotion. On this page, you will be able to see all the promotional tools that you can use. So if you have completed the new shop probation, your shop will be eligible for shipping fee discount. And then the Create button here will be clickable. So you just have to click on that button, and then you will see something like this. You just have to set up how you would like your promotional shipping discount to be. And that's essentially it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.